Which construction site should install an automatic 2-minute vehicle pressure washer? Go&Go have received many questions from business asking, what type of construction site is suitable for an automatic pressure washer that clean its vehicle in about 2 minutes? Every construction site needs one, or it is only advisable to invest in one or specific cases. Today, Go&Go would like to share some practical information to help you easily understand if this model is suitable for your company. First, automatic pressure washer are designed to solve a very common problem at construction site and area with a lot of road traffic, mud and dirt clinging to the wheels and undercarriage of vehicle and being dragged onto the road. This not only creates a unsanitary environment, but can also affect the image of the business, especially when the construction site is located near residential or urban area. Therefore, automatic car wash system were created to quickly clean the wheels and undercarriage of vehicle before they leave the construction site. The first ideal case for installing the system is large construction site. The site often have many trucks carrying materials such as sand, stone, and cement, entering and exiting daily. As the vehicle moves within the construction area, the wheel accumulate a lot of mud and dirt. If not cleaned before leaving, the mud and dirt will fall onto the road, causes unsanitary condition and sometimes even attracting warning from authority. With an automatic construction vehicle wash system, it only takes about 2 minutes to clean the wheels and undercarriage of the vehicle before it leaves the site. This helps the construction site operate more professionally and minimize the amount of mud and dirt spilled onto the road. The second ideal case is truck, parking lot, or transportation companies with a large number of vehicles. Many companies own dozens, even hundreds of trucks operating daily. When vehicles travel through various areas, such as construction sites, dirt road, or material yard, mud and dirt inevitably accumulate on them. Manual washing would require a lot of manpower and time. However, with an automatic construction vehicle wash system, each vehicle only needs about 2 minutes to clean quickly. This helps business save a lot of operating costs and ensure vehicles are always clean when entering and exiting the yard. Another model that is very suitable for installing the system is industrial park. Industrial parks often have a manufacturing and container truck and other trucks constantly enter and exit to transport goods. If this area does not have a suitable vehicle washing solution, mud and dirt from production areas or warehouse can be dragged onto initial road, causing unsanitary condition and affecting the overall image of the industrial park. By installing an automatic construction vehicle wash system at the entrance, all trucks will have their wheels and undercarriage clean before leaving the area. Thanks to this, the environment in the industrial park is always cleaner and more professional. In addition, mining areas such as stone quarries, sand mines, or mineral mines are also places where automatic construction vehicle washing system should be installed. These areas have a muddy environment and trucks operate continuously without a suitable washing system. The amount of mud and dirt from trucks spilled onto the road will vary large. This not only affects traffic but also easily leads to complaints from surrounding residents. With an automatic washing system, each truck only needs to run through the system for about 2 minutes before leaving the mine to be cleaned, minimizing the amount of mud and dirt spilled onto the road surrounding environment. Besides the above model, any area with a high volume of trucks entering and exiting frequently and needed to minimize mud and dirt spillage onto the road can consider installing automatic construction vehicle washing system. For example, construction material yard, earth and stone stockpile, land living area, or large infrastructure projects. These locations share a common characteristic: continuous truck traffic and a work environment often filled with mud and dirt. The unique feature of Go&Go automatic construction site wash system is its fully automatic operation. When a vehicle enters the system, sensors detect and activate high-pressure water jets to clean the wheels and undercarriage. The system automatically stops when the vehicle leaves the washing area. The entire process takes only about 2 minutes, minimizing disruption to vehicle movement. The machine is designed for durable operation in construction environment, allowing for continuous operation over extended periods without requiring a large workforce. Therefore, if you are managing a large construction site, a truck parking lot, an industrial park, a mining area, or any area with high truck traffic and need to maintain clean roads, an automatic construction site wash system is definitely a solution worth considering. Not only does it help business operate more professionally, but also contribute to protecting the surrounding environment. If you are interested in this model or would like more detailed advice on an automatic construction site water system suitable for your project scale, please contact us. Go&Go is always ready to accompany you and support you in choosing the most effective and optimal solution.